Taj Madras Flight Kitchen, the new face of hospitality, making it possible to dine in 5-star luxury while traveling at 600 miles per hour, 30,000 feet above sea level. Taj Flight Kitchen, a journey to scale new horizons in the field of in-flight hospitality since 1997. A journey that begins in Chennai at the Taj Madras Flight Kitchen, a kitchen designed to achieve the smooth flow of operations, thus enabling unidirectional workflow. A journey that starts on the floors of the kitchen. Dairy, fruits, vegetables, poultry, fish, eggs, and provisions are received here every day. The receiving bays are thoroughly cleaned after reception of each raw material. All goods are checked and weighed on arrival, date tagged, and moved to their appropriate storage areas as soon as possible. All farm products are disinfected before storing. Color-coded bins and egg trays are used for each day of the week to enable first in, first out. First in, first out, or FIFO, is an unique method used at the Taj Flight Kitchen to ensure that the earlier stocks are utilized first. The flight production unit holds its own stock in stores and ensures that FIFO is followed meticulously. The staff adhere to strict rules of hygiene from receiving to dispatch. To prevent cross-contamination, different colored chopping boards and knives are used for chopping or cutting of each category of food. There are different sections for processing fruits and vegetables. Separate walk-in cold stores are designed to hold raw and processed fruits and vegetables to limit any potential cross-contamination and to retain its freshness. There are separate sections for processing meat and fish as well. At the cold kitchen, a wide array of fruit salads, vegetable salads, meat salads, and sandwiches are prepared. A fresh treat for the discerning air traveler. Making travel a little sweet, an endeavor for which no effort is spared. A wide variety of cakes, pastries, mousse, soufflés, and a whole lot of other goodies are prepared in the patisserie. Man does not live by bread alone, so the Taj Bakery prepares a wide variety of goodies ranging from croissants to rolls apart from bread. Over 18,000 kilos of flour is used in this bakery alone every month. If cooking is an art, the hot kitchen at Taj can be aptly called a stage. a stage that is the performance ground for over 130 artists, or chefs as we call them. The cooked food is blast chilled immediately to preserve the appearance, texture, flavor, nutritional quality, and safety of the food. After being chilled to a safe temperature, the food is stored in cold storages, ready to be packed. The prepared meal is packed appetizingly into appropriate containers. At the Taj Kitchen, special meals are prepared for Jains, diabetics, children, and infants. If cooking is an art, presentation is the Galleria. Trays are set up in an easy-to-use arrangement into the trolley. These are checked and sealed by the airline staff prior to being sent to the flights. At the Taj Flight Kitchen, cleanliness is a way of life. All bins and vessels are cleaned and disinfected before each use. The used dishes from the flights are cleaned using 3 high-powered dishwashers. More than 150,000 dishes are cleaned in these machines every day. Each container is checked by our staff for thorough sanitation. Our obsession with cleanliness and hygiene is not restricted to the dishes alone. The aircraft trolleys are also cleaned thoroughly using the latest technology, thus eliminating even the remotest possibility of contamination. "940 aircraft trolleys, over 12,000 trays, dishes, and cutlery belonging to different airlines are held in the equipment hold to cater to the 120 flights that the Taj Flight Kitchen caters to every day. The setup trolleys are moved onto the high loaders for transport to the waiting flights. The high loaders are checked and sealed by the concerned airline staff before departure to the waiting flights. 22 high loaders are engaged to meet the requirements of loading the meals onto the 120 flights every day to make sure that quality refreshment continues its journey on time every time. Our responsibilities does not end with the preparation of quality food. Keeping the nature of risk involved in air traveling, our security personnel conduct strict checking on all vehicles, staff, etc. that go out of our premises onto the tarmac. At Taj Flight Kitchen, nothing is left to chance. The in-house laboratory takes care of the quality control and quality assurance operations. The lab conducts random sampling of incoming supplies to confirm adherence to specifications. The intermediate and finished products are tested to verify that hygienic management systems and production processes are operating correctly. Ensuring the timely delivery is also a very efficient maintenance and power backup system. Building management systems are in place, thus ensuring breakdown-free and contamination-free operational ambience. In spite of all the latest technology, Taj Madras Flight Kitchen believes that its greatest asset is its manpower. Constant training sessions are conducted to keep the manpower up to date. Training is viewed as a part of the food hygiene control strategy, and adequate training for all personnel is carried out. In our pursuit to provide the best of food and refreshment to our discerning customers, we have not forgotten the requirements of our valued staff. Kudos are aplenty, but not the ones to rest on laurels. Taj Madras Flight Kitchen always strives to better itself, to go one step further in achieving customer delight. Taj Madras Flight Kitchen, taking in-flight hospitality to greater heights.